Hey guys, it's Julia here and I'm back with another video. Woo! This one I'm really excited about because it's a challenge that literally every lifestyle YouTuber is doing at this point, and I find it so interesting. Maybe I'm just nosy, or maybe I feel like it's helpful, or maybe it makes me feel better about how much I spend watching these. I don't know. But it's the what I spend in a week as a 24-year-old, or well, I'm 24, you could be whatever age, but the what I spend in a week video. And for me, it's what I spend in a week as a 24-year-old living at my parents' house in Philadelphia. If you guys know me, you know that I moved recently, like 4 months ago, back home to Philadelphia from Los Angeles. I was spending way more in a week there because I don't have rent here. I really don't have any bills. I just have like some basic bills, but we'll get into that. And there I had all the bills you could imagine. Pretty pricey because Los Angeles is expensive AF. And I also had really, really expensive rent on top of all that. So yeah, I mean, I pretty much went broke and had to move home. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is that we're gonna find out how much I spend when I'm trying to save living at my parents. I actually really want to do this video again when I move back to LA and actually have like real bills and responsibilities again, because that's going to be pretty interesting. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you never miss another of my videos. And give this video a big thumbs up if you're nosy like me and want to find out what YouTubers spend their money on. Alright, let's go ahead and just jump into what I spent. We're actually going to be starting with Tuesday because I forgot that I don't know, I got my days messed up and I didn't film anything on Monday. I might not have even spent or left my house on Monday. We don't really know at this point. Tuesday, I went to the gym, and I have a gym membership, a monthly gym membership to LA Fitness, which is like $50 a month. I know that sounds like kind of expensive compared to the normal gym membership, but I bought the gym membership where you can bring 2 guests literally anytime you want. Basically, you can just bring 2 guests all the time if you really want to, because when I got the gym membership, I actually had a trainer and I would bring her with me. I don't think you're supposed to do that, but we did that. And I haven't had a trainer in like at least a year or so now, so I don't really need it, but like if I want to bring friends, that's nice. And also I don't really know how to like change it, and I don't know if I want to because I do want to be able to bring friends with me. So yeah, basically I did the math, and for my gym membership it is $1.60 a day, which is actually $11.02 per week. I mean, it's still $50 a month, no matter how you cut it, but not too bad, in my opinion. Then I went to lunch with my friend Caden. You might know him. He's a YouTuber too. And we went to a place called Tattoo Moms in Center City, or South Street. I think that's Center City, Philadelphia. And I had to pay for parking because there's meters there, and you gotta, you know, feed the meter or else you'll get a really expensive ticket, which I did not want to get. So I paid $1.75 in parking, and then for lunch we just split the bill, and I paid $24. I got a vegan cheesesteak, vegan Philly cheesesteak, and some pierogies, and then Kaden got a chicken sandwich and some french fries. So that was really yummy on Tuesday. Okay, so for Wednesday, I went with my mom to get my hair cut. So I spent $70 on the haircut. I don't do this every week, obviously, but I just happened to get my hair cut this week. And can you tell? It's a little shorter. It's a lot healthier. I'm digging it. And then while we were waiting for my mom's hair appointment, we went to TJ Maxx and I got some snacks for $10. And then after that, I had my... Yeah, I had my voice lesson at 3 p.m. so I spent $40 for that, and I have that weekly, so it's either $60 or $40 depending on how long the session is, and I had a shorter session this week, so it's only $40. And then after my voice lesson, I picked up my friend Samara and I took her to a smoothie / juice place, and I treated her to a smoothie and I got myself a smoothie, so that was $15 on smoothies. And that wraps up Wednesday's spending. Okay, so Thursday I really didn't leave my house at all, so the only thing I'm really spending money on is my monthly bills, which I only have 3 bills, so we'll go over that right now. I have a storage unit in LA for $160 a month, give or take. I'm kind of just estimating. I know what it is. If I like look, I know it's around $160. And that is actually $5.03 a day. So I'm basically spending $5.03 every day on that storage unit, whether I like it or not, because my stuff is there and, you know, I didn't want to trash it. So storage unit is public storage. Shout out to you. And then we already talked about I spend $1.06 a day on my LA Fitness membership. And then my only other bill that I can think of right now that I have currently is my Apple Music membership for $9.99 a month, which is really only 33 cents a day. So my bills are pretty chill. I think those are the only bills I have because I don't own a car right now. The cars I use are actually my family's extra cars, and they're on my family's insurance plan. I'm also on my family's health insurance plan because I'm only 24. I think when I turn 26 I have to get my own. So that will happen in 2 years, I guess. And car insurance wise, I will start paying that when I get my own car. So I don't know when that is, or if I make enough money to like buy the car that my parents have from them or something like that. I don't really know. I'm struggling a little bit right now with money, so this is me like trying to budget but also like spending my life away. So those are my bills. What I spent Thursday overall, well, I spent like $120 on a doll's kill per day. But everything I got was pretty practical. Like I got some new underwear and bras, and then I got a winter jacket that I thought was cute for going out because like all my like really warm winter jackets aren't that cute to go out in, and it's like washable, and I don't know, I just thought it was practical and necessary since I live on the East Coast now and I need something to keep me warm if I want to go out, or else I'm not gonna go out at all. I'm just gonna like stay in my house in like warm comfy clothes and never leave. So I got the jacket for that, and then I got a pair of black shorts to wear under like sweater dresses because I want to look cute, you know? And wear sweater dresses and not have my booty show in my underwear, and you know, you feel me. So I'm justifying this, but I don't really need to, it's my money, so yeah. Thursday didn't leave the house though. Friday, I went to Bloomingdale's with my mom to pick up a ring, not this ring, but a different ring that I had previously ordered because I have a Bloomingdale's credit card and I had a bunch of points, like $100 worth of points or something like that. So I used my points to buy the ring, but the ring was like, I guess $25 more than the points, so I spent $25 on the ring, and then I spent another $13, or is it $13.50, something like that, on a little makeup bag that was really cute that says like little brown cosmetic bag or something. Whatever like the Bloomingdale's typical bags say, it was like the cosmetic reusable version of that. And that is all I spent on Friday. So on Saturday, I spent $10 on breakfast for me and my friend because he had previously bought me like toothpaste and some like random stuff at the grocery store, so I covered his breakfast. And then I went to dinner with my friend Jamie, and we went to a restaurant in the city that's like so good, and it's vegan, called Charlie Was a Sinner, and they're pretty expensive, like not even gonna lie, very expensive. So I spent $40.02 on dinner, and she spent the same, so that was an expensive dinner. And then I spent $20 on parking because I couldn't find a spot to just use the meter, so I parked in a garage, which is so much. I shouldn't have done that. It's bad, don't do that, but I did it anyway. Then later that night I spent $13.26 on snacks because sometimes you just need snacks, you know? Sometimes you do. Okay, so on Sunday, the car that I drive, the family car that I drive, needed some gas, so I went to the gas station with my mom, and I spent $45.04 on gas, which compared to Los Angeles is so much better. My Jeep in Los Angeles, oh my god, like if I want to fill up my tank, it's going to be somewhere between like $80 and $100 just for a full tank, and that's ridiculous. While here, if I get a full tank, it's only like 45 bucks. Like, come on. Why is it so expensive there? I don't know. Anyway, then I got some sweet green for dinner, and that was $9.54, which is also a lot cheaper than me getting sweet green in LA, because sweet green in LA is gonna be like $12, $13, $14 for the same thing. While this is like $10. Like, I don't know, I don't understand. Taxes are just way more there, and life like, what is it called? Not life expectancy, but that's not what I'm talking about. The cost of living is so much higher in LA, so much lower in Philly. And then after I got Sweetgreen, I went to Urban Outfitters because they were having a sale, and it was 40% off all sale items, and I found a really cute bra. I'm actually wearing it right now. Hey. And it was like $9.99, but I got it for $5.99 because it was 40% off. And that concludes what I spent on Sunday. So we have our last day, which is Monday, which makes no sense, but whatever. I did things out of order, it's okay, we're fine. And for Monday, I went to the gym, so the residual gym membership just keeps going each day. And then I also saw that Gymshark was having their like annual Cyber Monday sale before Cyber Monday, like, I don't know, whatever it was. And I decided, okay, I'm gonna order some cute stuff from there. I ordered what's it called? A vest to kind of wear when I go to the gym, and then a long sleeved black gym shirt and some black leggings, and all that together was $103. So that wasn't too cheap, but since everything was on sale, I don't feel too bad about it, you know? So that's everything that I spent on Monday because I just ate food from home. Also, I will mention this, my mom does grocery shop, and I do live at my parents' house, so I don't really have to pay for groceries, which is really nice. But looking at this, even though I don't have to pay for groceries, the thing I spend the most money on is still probably food. No, still definitely food. And then maybe second, like clothes and shopping. Okay, so altogether, the total of what I spent this week was $497.48. But keep in mind, I really don't go shopping every week. This was just like, the holidays are coming up, the sales are starting, it's getting cold over here, I needed to stock up on things, so I did go shopping this week. But typically, I don't go shopping too much during the week, you know, unless it's like a change of season and you just gotta revamp your wardrobe, add some stuff, I don't know. Or I got a paycheck and I'm doing really well. But yeah, no, this was just like a special week, so I definitely spent a lot less. So that's all that I spent. I'm really curious to see more of these videos. Let me know if you like this and want to see another similar one in the comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure if you're not already subscribed to my channel to hit the subscribe button and the post notification button so you never miss another one of my videos. And I'll either see you in my next video next week, or you can click my previous video at the end. Love you guys so much. Bye!